Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you how to write, run and save your first Python program and how to maintain your program file online.
So for that, first we open the editor. To open the editor, we type Python. In the command window, click on that. You can open the Python editor which you are using. So now the Python editor is open. This is basically the Python shell, and this is also known as the interactive mode, where when we type a command or when we type something, we get the output immediately. So we can type our first program here also. The first will be a print statement which is going to print a message. So whatever we write in the print statement, it is printed as it is. So the first program which we usually write in all the languages is the hello world program. So this is the program, a single line program. It will do the work. After typing the print statement, there are two brackets here, and within quotes I have written hello world. When I click enter, hello world is printed. This is the interactive mode where we are getting the output as it is, but if we want to store the programs, we must use the script mode. For that, we go to file, click on file, new file, and then we start typing the same code. So I write print hello world. Now what is happening here is I have typed the statement, and if I press enter, I will not get the output here. How will I get the output? By running it. So I click on run, and now there will be a prompt which will ask me to save it. So this is a program. It is going to be saved as a file which can be accessed again and again. So I'll click on OK, and I'm prompted to save the program. I can save it with any name which I want. Fine. My first program, because there is a file with that name, I have written my first program 2. You can save it anywhere on your PC. By default, it is saved in the Python files folder. So I click on save. The program is saved as well as it runs. See, here we can see the output, hello worlds. So if I enlarge the screen, I can see the output like this. So you can clearly see how this works. Fine. Now we will see how to save your program as well as output in the class notebook and maintain it as a program file. So let me go to the class notebook here. I'll open the Teams app. In the Teams app, there is a program section for everyone. So you will have to go to your name. Under your name, go to the program section. In the program section, you have to write down the title of the program which you are writing. The first one is obviously you have to print a message. So I'll write a program to print a message. Fine. Now from writing this means we are actually writing, telling the teacher or reminding us what program is written here. So write a program to print a message. Go to the program which you have typed, copy it using the mouse, Ctrl C, come back to the page and simply paste it. Once you have pasted the program in the page of OneNote of your class notebook, you can see the message print welcome to Python. But the font here is a bit different from the font which you see in your program. So just select this and select the font which is supposed to be the font of the code which is Courier New. Click on it and the font will change. You can increase the size to suit your needs here. So, here I get welcome to Python. So, this is the program. Now, apart from the program, you also have to write the output. So, we had run the program and we had seen the output. Let me write it again. So, this is the output. Now, to get the output on your screen, what you can do is you can go to the snip tool. Snip tool is available as a desktop app in your system. So, you can use a snip tool to copy and paste the output. So, I will go to this output here. This is the output screen. I will use the snip tool, click on new, and once you click on new, you get the output screen. You can either start copying from here, which is a good habit, or you can simply write down the output, which is here. So, it will be a good practice to do it very appropriately. So, I will just copy it once more in an appropriate manner, and this is the output. Simply go to the copy option and go to Teams and simply paste it here. It will be pasted as a picture. You must also write down the title here, because this is the output. You should know that this is the output. So, that is how you have to write. This is the program and this is the output. So, this is your first program which you have written. See, it comes out very neatly. If you want to add more programs, you go to page and simply start writing the title of the next program. So, you have to maintain this as a practical file under the programs section of your name. So, I hope you have understood how to write, run, save and maintain your program file.